Hi there, thanks so much for watching. This bread is so easy. I'm very excited to show you short video so you can start baking. First, we create an optimum surrounding for our yeast to grow with enclosed warm steam in a large pot. Next, we add a few ingredients together in a mixing bowl. Stir until everything is dissolved. Add flour, then mix up until the water is absorbed. Now we use our hand to scrape the side and the bottom. Squeeze a few times to have everything mixed and stick together, then form it to a ball. No kneading needed. Keep it in the pot with the lid on, proof as short as 45 minutes. Grease the bread pan with cooking spray or oil. Look at the size, more than 2 times larger in just 45 minutes. That's what happens when we give them the best environment to grow. Now here's how we do it. Flour our hands and pat flour on the outside of the dough. We then stretch it out to a rectangle about 12 inches long and 8 inches wide. Roll it to a log. Turn it, then stretch it out on both sides to make another rectangle about 12 by 7 inches. Try to make it as even as you can. Now we fold it. 1, 2. Pin to seal the seam in the middle and also on the sides of the dough. Finally, we draw and stretch it if needed to make it even, then drop it in the baking pan with the seam stay in the bottom. Spray water on top to keep it moist, then cover with the pot lid and let it dry for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, remove the lid so it has more room to grow. Also, we preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Place a pan in the bottom rack with hot water for steaming. Moisten the top with water while waiting. We then bake our bread in 15 minutes. Look how much it has risen. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until internal temperature reaches between 195 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's how it's done. Delicious bread in a simple way that anyone can make. If you enjoy quick, easy recipes in short video format, I am your guy. Thanks so much again for watching. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.